Hello, Endnight. Fancy meeting you here.
Hey, Vom. Come here.
Why?
Hold this for me.
Oh, you little fuck.
Please.
You dick. You're such a dick, man. Oh, you dick! You absolute dickwad.
Hey, take his warp pack now too.
Ooh, thank you for the warp pack.
You
Thank
fucking
you for the
what?
samples.
Me? Fucking behave yourself. Did all my stuff drop? Do you pick it all up, Endnight?
I picked up the samples and the jump pack. And the warp pack.
He hates me. Von will remember this. The moment you betrayed me. And like spawning in bombs again.
Yeah, every stratagem under the sun.
Just want to make sure we kill all the bugs. Vaughn, you killed me! What the hell, Vaughn?
Ah.
Combat.
That's right, Vaughn. I'll remember that.
5.
Oh! Ah! I see how it is now, I see how it is.
We killed each other. That's hilarious, actually.
You can fuck off now. So personal.
Y'all kill each other. You can't respawn, by the way.
Oh, really? He's shooting me. Right, fucking fly off about him.
You
Go on.
shooting me?
Fly off about him. Go on, fly off about him. Don't you kill me in the ship, you little prick.
This can't be real.
It's like watching over a bunch of children.
Honestly.
Okay. We gotta behave, Vaughn.
I like the youngest one in the group's like, it's like looking after children.